very well. Fantastic talent, energy.
Lopez and Sagar Silva. Both the players
But
on
I
the bench,
believe
but
these both players are not to be seen on the ground.
yeah, they are on.
I think they're playing from the outside of the ground.
Absolutely, they give the motivation from outside.
Brian standing tall.
Uttan FC channelizing, formalizing, sequencing, but then it's look at that, difficult to bypass Hakka Bakka.
Edward, as I told you, they would need a miracle to score a goal.
Yeah, they need a miracle. Jocelyn Lopez in.
Jocelyn Lopez is on the field, but he cannot be seen.
But
I can't see him.
till last 3 o'clock he was
I
practicing.
think I
3 o'clock he was practicing.
he's already tired. He looks
not,
tired.
Not with its studs, but he was practicing on the ground.
Game.
That's what the managers do.
And
top management.
Snehal Menezes. He's been flown all the way from Bollywood, mind you.
Right, you say.
Oh, Hakka Bakka is doing a great job. They're putting pressure on Uttan. Hooper on the ball. Oh, he's just missed it. Uttan trying to play the game. Oh, would he take a shot? Oh, that's gone wide.
Yeah, he's aiming the commentator box. I don't know for why. Yes, can you imagine that? Uttan FC having a tough time against Hakka Bakka.
Hakka is standing tall. Hakka Bakka is standing tall.
Every 45 seconds there is a change in Hakka Bakka team.
They're gonna keep fresh legs. They don't want their players to get tired.
Right,
so
right,
that's the reason why they're rolling the substitutes. And that's Braven on the ball all the way from Germany.
Through that.
That is an outside throw. Can they break the ice? Oh, what a save by Brian. Can they score? They've put this ball on the wings. And that he's crossed the ball for the header. What a save by Brian.
Come on, Brian.
I told you.
In this lovely game. Uttan FC trying every inch, but they don't get a centimeter there. Wow.
Oh, that's been that's a goal. That's been cleared by Brian. Throw for the Hakka Bakka.
Amit plays for XYZ club, but he's there on the ground there.
There are some talented players in Hakka Bakka.
Absolutely missing the legendary. The legendary is taken a bench. There you go, Amit running the whole ground.
Edward, each and every player is a legend in Hakka Bakka's team.
Rightly you said.
And Uttan on the ball. Can they score? Oh, he's running through the ball. Oh. Brian holds the ball. And he is going to take the goal kick. Clear away.
Just one goal. It's going to be an easy bypass for Hakka Bakka. Uttan FC leading 1-0 right now. Come on, Paul, here we go.
Uttan is holding the ball. They're playing quite nice. Hakka Bakka defense looks promising. They've managed to keep them away from the goal. He's taken a shot just wide. That's the goal kick for the Hakabaka.
Team of Jesus Art Foundation on the ground out there.
And we have the YMCA Manikpur director, Mr. Anand Menezes, this evening. He's looking for water. And that's the corner kick for the Uttan FC. Let's see what they can do. Oh, they've taken the short corner.
They already have a tough time there.
And they've crossed the ball. Oh, Brian again.
Brian Lopez.
Brian Lopez has kept them in the game.
Yeah, he's got the speed.
He's made
got
some
the
amazing
talent.
saves.
Brian Lopez reminds me of Skilachi. Don't forget that golden hand. He is the first player in the 18 years got a red card. Brian Lopez.
And that's Uttan FC. Oh, that's another goal.